Hello once again dudes, my name is Emil and welcome to another CSS tutorial. So in this tutorial we're gonna have about a set of functions. Basically we still have our paragraph, and I'm just gonna go ahead and add some more text by copying this and what did I just do? I meant copying it and add more. Alright, so let's go ahead and go Chrome and see what we got. So that looks pretty nice, but let's say that you wanted to have it in a box. And let's just go ahead and actually I'm gonna go ahead and make a break in between each of these. Looks more nice. See how what do we have over here? Like a last one. Right, so let's run it and see. That looks pretty fine. So let's say that you wanted to have some kind of line around it, like the field set in XHTML and stuff like that. Well, we have some function called border for that, and the normal border ain't gonna learn about right now, but we can use border left. I'm gonna top first actually. Border button and border left, border right, and also I'm gonna be looking at the color. So basically the top goes if we're saying like the top of the border goes up here, the bottom goes up here, and the left and right goes to each side. So I'm gonna go ahead and center this on the screen just because I like it. Think it fits in pretty nice. We're there. All right. So it's centered. So in the top border, let's be like 10 pixel, and pixel is like what using picture solid black. Now what this basically tells, it tells the computer that we're gonna have a 10 pixel light of solid black, and solid makes it more not as anti-aliased. So I'm just gonna add this for all of them right now, and we can always change that later. But as I explained to you, it goes on each side. So if we go ahead and refresh this now, you can see where's the bottom? Why doesn't it color the bottom? Did I make a mistake? I'm just gonna copy this line and replace it. Of course. Yeah, I made a mistake. Alright, there we go. So basically, as you can see, the top goes here, the bottom goes there, right and left. So let's go ahead and I'm gonna remove those center tags actually, and here, right, and refresh it, and you can see it is over there. Now you may be thinking, well, why is it still going over here? Well, basically it's because it's in a paragraph. So let's make a little modification to it. Honestly, let's make some modifications real quick. Or we're going to do this. Might take a little bit of time. There we go. And how many do we have left? Alright, I'm gonna add like here, and one here. Wait, this is getting confusing. Sorry dudes, it's getting confusing. Right there, and yeah, ended there. So let's go ahead and save and run this and see what we get. Now they all have their own lines. So we can go ahead and adjust the pixels in here. Let's make it half as thick and run it. But it still makes like these long lines. How do we make them like, you know, stay in there. Well, that's where the next tutorial comes in, guys. So basically that's it with this tutorial, guys. Hope you enjoyed, hope you learned something, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.